Denji the Chainsaw Man versus Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and they are making a beef Wellington.
These are gonna be some extra bloody steaks.
I don't even think Leatherface is gonna be beef. He's making a Steve Wellington.
Yeah, Chainsaw Man, would he be able to even cut anything with any form of like direction though?
I think his is gonna be more of a shredded up Wellington.
I think I'd rather have shredded up beef Wellington than human.
But when else are you gonna get to try human?
Oh, yeah, true.
I think I'm gonna take the human. Leatherface made it for me. If it's gonna be done right, it's gonna be done by him. YOLO. Shout out all the cannibals out there.
Tell us in the comments if we're right or wrong.